Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the full process on how to generate your scheme in Scheme Rangu, right? So we're going to start from here. Remember, we click on New Scheme button here. Then we choose on Plan Step by Step here. So the first step is the class level, right? So I'm going to select Form 1 and History, like I did before, and Term 2. And year is 2026, so I'm done with this step here. And then the next step is to choose my term start and end date, right? So let's say from 5 May, let's see here, to August 6. So I have 14 weeks here. And then my school name, Scheme Rangu, the province, we are in Harare, and maybe Mbali. And qualification, I'm going to leave that and upload my school logo here. You can upload or not upload, it's up to you, right? Then I'm going to use the formal design. And then in terms of my classroom resources, we're a bit limited, right? But we do have textbooks, we do have a chalkboard, local materials, we have reliable internet, electricity, internet. We don't have a projector, but we do have a printer. Our classes are large. Local heritage sites nearby, no, we don't have that. Community resource person, we have that. We have some artifacts and we have some source pictures, right? And then in terms of methodologies, yes, problem solving, imitation, video and film, no. Educational tours, we're not doing those this term. Arts-based, experimental, design, case study, group discussions, research, design-based discussion, question and answer, and demonstration. So those are the methodologies that our school can do. So I have 5 periods here, but our periods actually 45 minutes, right, instead of 40 that is suggested in the syllabus. And then periods, so we have a double, and I have a double on Wednesday and a single on Friday, right? So it's still 5 periods. Then I press on continue. I am still teaching development societies, but not everything. So let me clear that. So again, clear what I've done here. So I'm going to open to development, and I'm going to do state formations only. So just select that. And once I'm done, I scroll down. And then in terms of revision, so revision is 1 week. Revision, I'm going to write exams for 2 weeks. So let me say 2 weeks revision. Okay. And then class tests, I'm going to do them monthly. And of course, projects, do them weekly. And we're doing stage 4 and stage 5, right? So we already did stage 1 to stage 3. Then I'm going to click on build weekly planner here, right? So this process is not as hard, right, as some people might think. Once you master it, you can do this very fast, right? So here I'm now just checking. So I can see that week 1 is Mapungupu and it's going logically. So we have geographical location, we have rise of Mapungubwe, then we have our HPC there, we have political organization of Mapungubwe, we have economic organization, we have the decline, and then we start on Great Zimbabwe, which is good. So I'm just checking that all of my states are there. We're now on Mutapa state, is going through the same process. I should see all, yeah, all the way to Roji. So I can see that my states are there, right? So I have my states. So I don't think I have anything to change here, but you have to go through it more carefully, isn't it? So then I press on continue, right? So in terms of layout, I'm just going to use the standard and press continue here, just making sure it's history, form one, and yeah, everything is set there. Formal design, that's the one that I want, and I'll press generate. Right, so it didn't take me a very long time to do all of this, right? So it's simple, click, click, and go, right? So now we just give it a minute or two to just generate and to create our scheme, right? So right now we are around 6 minutes of this whole process still going. So you can see that you can do this in less than 5 minutes if you really know the topics that you want to teach. So it is done at around 6 minutes 30 seconds, right? But obviously I have to take more time in looking at this and editing it, and once I am done, I simply download my scheme here. So it is now downloading and I see it there, right? So that's basically the whole process from start to finish, right? But we left off some other things. So you can actually create lesson plans from this, right? And you can also do evaluation, like a draft evaluation. So in the next video, we're going to look at those two sections there. But creating schemes, we are basically done. We did it in about 6 minutes 30 seconds, right? So if you have mastered how to do it, it does not even take time. So see you in the next video where you talk about lesson plans and drafting evaluations.